This is the final video to fix the pupdate/force command not working. And if your group policy changes aren't applying, stay with me because this will finally solve it. I'm from Rexish, and I'll show you every simple method so pupdate runs without errors. Are you also facing a problem where pupdate/force gives errors, doesn't refresh policies, or get stuck? This usually happens when group policy services stop responding, the system cache is corrupted, or network-related policies can't load. Most videos online make this sound confusing. When I faced this same issue, I fixed it using a few easy tricks anyone can follow. First, restart the group policy service. Press Win+R, type services.msc, find group policy client, and restart it. Make sure it's set to automatic. Second, run the command in an elevated command prompt. Right-click command prompt, choose Run as administrator, and then run pupdate/force again. Permissions often block it. Third, delete the group policy cache. Go to C:/Windows/System32/group policy and C:/Windows/System32/group policy users. Delete everything inside both folders except the machine and user folders. Then restart your PC. Fourth, run SFC/scan now and then DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health.